Millions of people were killed or displaced, and properties run into hundreds of thousands of naira were lost in the wake of crisis in Nigeria in recent years, courtesy of misinformation and disinformation, mostly conveyed by social media. In order to counter misinformation across the 6 geopolitical zones in the country, the Embassy of the United States, Abuja, Nigeria, Public Affairs Section has supported the training of journalists, media professionals, content creators, and activists on countering misinformation. The training, which was facilitated by Metos Labs in collaboration with Grey Child Foundation, was held in 5 pilot states and Abuja to include Zamfara, Katsina, Borno, Yobe, and Adamawa. The National Coordinator Activating Positive Peace, Rotarian Petro Ozochukwu, shed more light on the training.
Misinformation is increasingly becoming an issue, not just in Nigeria, but the world over. But specific context of Nigeria and our pluralities makes it really a dire consequence. Looking at from various dimensions, political, socio-economic, and what have you. So there's the urgency to nip the spread of misinformation, hate speech, fake news, and its kind, malinformation. The list is endless. Distorted information. There's the need to nip it in the bud. There's need to draw attention and then equip the key stakeholders in the field with the knowledge to address issues of this kind.
One of the resource persons, Rotarian Yusuf Nadabo, also said,
and as journalists, we are bound or duty bound to ensure that only good information or factual information goes to the people. Now, when you don't give them good information, it creates room for rumors, it creates room for crises, it creates room for misunderstandings, it creates all negative things you can think about. So, in essence, what the US Embassy and the Rotary International do is just to forestall this and ensure that the journalist only gives out information that is factual, that is true.
A participant from Adamawa said Alhaji Babagari Baraya lauded the foresight of the organizers, saying,
information, news have always been disseminated by journalists, but with time, with the advent of social media, it seems like other people came into content development and all that, so information has been generated and disseminated by almost everybody. So in the course of that, misinformation came to be. In most of our informations today, find out quite a sizable percentage misinformation. And people use that vital tool to propagate their own selfish interests or whatever other reason. So this knowledge about misinformation, the way to tackle it is very, very vital. The media, the journalists, the content producers, they need to really have a know-how in respect of this and see how they can make sure whatever they are pushing to people are not kind of misinformation, but the fact of issues.
I am Hassan Umar Shelpela reporting.